Wyndham Hotel's honest review. Look before you search for a hotel. Most people assume all large hotel chains offer the same experience, but Wyndham's properties can vary widely depending on location and brand. Wyndham operates over 9,000 hotels worldwide under multiple brands, from budget-friendly options to premium resorts. One standout feature is the rewards program, Wyndham Rewards, which allows points to be earned and redeemed across thousands of hotels, making travel more affordable for frequent guests. Most people get this wrong. They expect consistent luxury across every property. The surprising truth is that some Wyndham hotels focus on value and practicality, while others provide full resort amenities. Reading individual property reviews before booking is essential to avoid disappointment. Another advantage is accessibility. Many Wyndham hotels are located near airports, highways, or city centers, which is convenient for business travelers or vacationers. Booking options are flexible, including refundable rates and special packages. However, there are considerations. Older properties may feel dated, and amenities can differ between brands. Customer service quality also varies by location, so checking recent guest feedback is critical. In conclusion, Wyndham Hotels offer a wide range of choices and rewards benefits, but travelers should research each location carefully. With the right preparation, you can find a Wyndham hotel that matches your expectations for comfort and value. Subscribe for more honest hotel reviews before you book your next stay.